What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a new monthly dividend stock for you guys to check out. This is a new kid on the block. I'll definitely do a review on that. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers strong. Make sure you hit that notification bell and smash that like button. We are rolling with this channel. So I'm not going to post a video on Sunday. It's actually Friday night, and I'm exhausted from leg day. But I really wanted to post this video on this dividend stock. This is a new one. This is a real estate investment trust. I want you guys to check it out and see what you think. Tell me at the end of this video. So let's check this out right now. And that new stock has a symbol PECO, Phillips and Edison. It has a dividend yield of 3.29%, PE ratio 218.60. Remember FFO. Volume is 1.64 million. Market cap is 3.72 billion US dollars. The tier range was 26.51 to 36.35. Day range was 32.19 to 32.95. Its previous close was 32.63. So right in July, right around August 2021, these guys hit the stock market pretty much. And they are a monthly dividend stock. So let's check these guys out. Here's their acquisition. So they have aggressive expansion plans. So they look at grocery anchored, necessity based neighborhood and community shopping centers. Our nationwide portfolio includes more than 300 properties. We're in the market for more. Our experienced team can overcome complex issues such as environmental concerns, high vacancy, or deferred maintenance to make deals that others can't. All cash, no financing contingencies, single properties or multi property portfolios. We'll purchase assets or loans, exceptional record in closing for 30 to 45 days. They have their recent acquisitions, Kroger, which is very popular, West Village Center, and that's, let's see, where's the location? I don't see location. Hickory Creek Plaza, West Village Center. I wish they showed what state it was. So that's some interesting information about them. What are they about first? We need to know their history. So they're one of the nation's largest owners and operators of omni-channel grocery-anchored shopping centers. Since founding in 1991, Peco has generated strong results through its vertically integrated operating platform and national footprint of well-occupied shopping centers. Peco centers feature a mix of national and regional retailers selling necessity-based goods and services in fundamentally strong markets throughout the United States, and its top grocery anchors include Kroger, Publix, Albertsons, and Ahold Delhaize. Hopefully I said that right. They remain exclusively focused on creating great omni-channel grocery anchored shopping experiences, improving communities one center at a time. So these guys look like they're well in demand. So this is the type of facilities that they are a landlord to, and people pay rent, like Kroger and Publix and Albertsons. Those are really good companies. Gosh, and by the way, my sinuses are going crazy from these weather changes. Let me show you something, how they're doing financially. I can't even go to certain sources, but here's their revenue. This is March, this is June, September, December. Their total revenue has went up 2019. 2020, you could, sure, that's a given, went down. Thing just. So here's their revenue. So this is 2019, 536, 2020, 498 million, 2021, 532 million. But we need to go to the previous 3 years because that's crucial. 2016, 257, then 311, then 430. So that's important. So you're seeing 73, and then this is the previous year's 2013, 73, 188, 242. So the good thing is you're seeing an increase in revenue in these guys. And what's interesting is their dividend history, and their potential is a monthly dividend stock. So we need to look at these guys real quick. Right here, they're at 8 cents. Okay. 2021, 9 cents. They haven't jumped up too much. Okay. So just by comparing their dividend trends, this is the one thing. They're 32.79. So let's look at a few other monthly dividend stocks and compare them. So I'm going to jump to Stag. Look at this. 2013 it was 10 cents. Then it hit 11 in 2014. Finally cracked 12 cents in 2020. Didn't even hit 13 cents. And it's sitting at 38.96 versus peco, which is 32.79. This dividend yields 3.67 and the annual dividend is 146. So the dividend growth might be faster with peco. A little bit, I mean, I want to see 10 cents and 11 cents before I start pulling the trigger on these guys. But their dividend growth rate could be a little bit faster than Stag in the long run. I'm going to jump to one more. Here's Agree Realty Corporation. This is a monthly dividend stock. They changed from quarterly to monthly, which was a ballsy move by the board of directors. And I can tell you that put those guys on the map because everybody knows that they're a monthly dividend stock and their dividend growth rate is pretty fast. I'm going to tell you that right now. So look at this, 20 cents, 21 cents, 22 cents. They're jumping up pretty quick and they're sitting at 63.61 with a dividend yield of 4.3%. An annual dividend of 272. So the dividend growth rate is always important. So peco is definitely on my radar. I want to know what you guys think of that as a monthly dividend stock. The revenue's done well and not too bad. I'm not going to pull the trigger on it yet. I want to see how it does, in a year or two before I start really making a decision. But that's a monthly dividend stock for you guys to keep an eye on. Dividend growth rate is one factor that needs to be looked at and addressed. The revenue appears to be attractive. Could they be faster than Stag? Not sure. But again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. I kind of want to do a speed run for you guys. Now I'm like mentally drained right now. I'm studying like crazy and I hit legs earlier. But I just wanted to point out peco. PECO is a monthly dividend stock. Let me know what you think. And I will post a video on Monday. And you guys be safe out there. Take care.